Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial for easy blues on the ukulele in the key of A major. The ukulele is tuned G, C, E, A. And to play our blues, we'll need 3 chords. We'll need to know an A7 chord, a D7 chord, and an E7 chord. In order to play our A7, we'll go to fret 1 on the C string and strum all the strings. That's A7. For a D7, we'll go to the G string, fret 2, and the E string, fret 2, and strum all the strings. That's D7. For an E7, we'll place a finger on the G string, fret 1, the C string, fret 2, and the A string, fret 2. And that's E7. We'll strum this way. Just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just like that. We'll start with A7 and we'll go A7, D7, A7, D7, E7, D7, A7, back to E7. And that's our turnaround. We'll repeat that for the entire time that we're playing this piece. Here's what it'll sound like with a backing track. Now if we'd like to do an easy blues solo on the ukulele, we can use the A minor pentatonic scale. Here's that scale. So we went to the A string and played 3 open, the E string 3 open, the C string 2 open, and we can go to the G string and play just 2, or we can do 2 open if we want. So that's and that's our scale. Now what we'll do is we'll randomly pick notes from that scale and make up our solo. Just totally ad lib. anything you can come up with. Now let's play a little bit of that with our track. Well, there it is. That's how we can do a little bit of A blues on the ukulele. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.